Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can enable Incognito mode in the four most popular web browsers on your Samsung Galaxy A34 5G. So to start, Google Chrome, click here on this three-dot icon or arrow icon and choose New Incognito tab. Very simple. The next one, in Opera, click here on this taskbar icon, switch to the private and add a tab. Now Microsoft Edge. Click on the taskbar icon in private and a tab, exactly same. And the Firefox, in the welcoming screen, when you have this screen, just click here. If the background is purple, that means you are in the Incognito mode. If you have any tab opened, click on this tab icon, switch to the zero mask and add a tab. And now in this mode your history, completed forms, cookies files and even the words from the keyboard will be not saved. That's it, thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment and goodbye.